Hello guys, you're welcome back to another tutorial. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. My name is Imo King. I'm a videographer slash video editor. In my last tutorial, I explained how to edit videos to speech and how to add b-rolls. And in this tutorial, I'll be explaining how to edit and how to sync your videos to the beat of the music. Right here, I've organized my videos. I have my videos that I want to edit. Okay, so I have folders here. So here I have my music. I have a vid folder and a video folder. The first thing I want to do is to click on the music folder and drag the music onto my timeline. I've already created my sequence, so I'm just dropping the music here. You want to create your sequence first with your video file. So I'll go back and then I would arrange my files. You can arrange your files as you like. I prefer doing it in the thumbnail view. So what you do is you select a clip you want. For example, if you want this to be at the top, you hold it and you drag it to the top. You wait until you see this white line that shows by the left side. That way you can drag and arrange your clips the way you want. And the next thing you want to do is to place in and out points on your clips. So let me go back to my video folder. If I select any of this clip now, you will notice that I have placed in and out points for all of my clips. So I've also explained how to create in and out points. So if you don't know how to create in and out points, you also want to watch my previous tutorial. I'll drop the video to that also in the description. So what you want to do first of all is to drag this down so you can see clearly, and then you probably expand your clip. So from this clip, it's easy for me to see that these apex regions here and here are where the beat changes, but I'll play so you have an idea what it looks like. It changes here again, here again. So you take note of these areas, these regions that have the sharp edges. Those are where we have our beats. But if you cannot see these waveforms, you come and click on this timeline display settings, and then you can click show audio waveform. The next thing I want to do is to add markers where my beat changes. So I can add markers two ways. I can either hit Ctrl M, or I can click on this add marker button here. But if you can't find this, you come over here, select the icon you want, and then you can drag it down. But this is already selected, so you can select one and drag it. So now the next thing I want to do is to create a marker where I want the beat to start. I don't want the beat to start here. I want it to start here where the beat is pronounced. So here I'll hit my marker to add a marker. You can see I've added one. Then I will let it go. Another thing you need to know about editing to beats is you don't need to change your clip at every beat. If you want it to be a fast video, you can change at every beat. But this is actually a slow video. I'm editing to a bridal makeup, so I will make it slow. I will skip some beats, change at 2, 1, 3 intervals. So because I already know what I want to do, I already have an idea of the beat, I have an idea of the video, I'll just play it and then change it where I want it to change. Stop here. I'll add a marker here. So that's 2 beats. I'll add one here. I'll add one here. Add one here. Add one here. The reason why I'm doing this is because I already know where I want to change my clips. But for you, you may have to play it one after the other and select to know the right place for this. Alright guys, so I've actually arranged my markers to the intervals where I want the beat to change. The next thing you want to do is to move this blue line to the first marker where you want the videos to change. Next thing you'll do is to come over to your folder where you have your clips. It's best you arrange them in a folder, then select them according to how you want it to appear in the video. So I'll hit Control to select the first one, select the second one. Remember, I've added my in and out points. I'll select them all. Remember, I've organized them. This is the last point. Then the next thing you want to do is to come over here and to click Perform Automatic Sequence. Once you click on that, your ordering, you leave it on selection order. Then your placement, you will leave at unnumbered markers. Method override edit is fine. Use in and out range. So what this does is it uses the in and out points that you have selected on your clip. Ignore audio. What this does is you will notice that these video files have both the video and audio waveforms, so it's going to ignore the audio, and then I click OK. Alright guys, so you will notice that my clips, our videos have automatically aligned to the markers that we placed in our timeline. So I'll just go ahead and take it back to the beginning so we can see what our edit looks like. So I'll press play now. Alright guys, so that is how you edit and auto sync your videos to the beat of the music using markers and using your audio waveform. You can use this for your music video edits. You can use this for your video montages. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this very useful, and feel free to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to every single one of them. Thank you guys.